Why do you do this to yourself? Don't even get paid? For what?
You don't know?
No.
The nod.
The nod?
Yeah. Happens to me at least once every party. Somebody comes up to me and says, thank you for making this happen. I needed this. This really meant something to me. And they nod. And I nod back.
That's it.
See, guy, if there's one thing you learned tonight, I hope it's this. This shit ain't over till the last record spins.
You're in the mix with Eric Rain.
The world is mine.
London, LA, Chicago.